Hi, first graders. Happy Monday. This week we are going to be talking about the chair card. This is actually the last new sound that we will be learning for our first grade year. You guys have done so well this year. Keep reading along. Okay, this is the chair card, the sound spelling card for chair. What card is it? The sounds are air, air. What does it say? So, listen, we have ch, air, air. The air sounds can be spelled with the letters A-I-R, like in the word chair. They can be spelled A-R-E, like in the word care, or E-A-R, like in the word wear. Once again, this is the chair card. Let's do some practice sounds. Say them twice as I underline them. Ready? Read. Air, air. Good job. Okay, let's practice some blending. Ready? Blend. Air, word is fair. Excuse me. Next one. Word is rare. Air, word is pear. Okay, sounds two times. Ready? Read. Air, air. Sh, sh. Air, air. St, st. Ch, ch. Air, air. Spur, spur. R, r. E, e. Ing, ing, I, spool, spool, thur, ow, ow, mm. Okay, we're going to stretch out these next letters. So we have our sound air, word is air. Next one. Air, word is fair. Next one. Air, word is care. Next word. Word is tear on your own. Word is wear. Word is pair. Next word. Word is share. Next word. Word is chair. Next word. Word is hair. Next word. Word is bear. Next word. Word is blared. Next word. Word is add ed at the end. Dared. Okay. Think. Say. Word is wear. And this is like I wear my clothes. Wearing. Next word. Think. Say. O-R-E says or, so we have wore. So yesterday I wore that shirt. Next word. Think. Say. Word is bear. Next word. Think. Say. Word is bar. Next word. Think. Say. Word is star. Think. Say. Word is stare. So we have star, and then if we add an E at the end, it becomes stare. Next word. Think. Blend STR, stir. Word is street. Next word. Think. Say. Word is spring. Next word. Think. Say. Word is splash. Think. Say. Word is three. Think. Super E. Say. Word is right. We have that silent W at the beginning. Think. Say. Word is no. Let's read some sentences. First word. Think. Say. Word is her. Think. Say word is red, think. Say word is hair, think. Say word is blue, sight word is in, sight word is the last word, think. AIR is a spelling for air, word is air. Let's read it together. Ready? Read. Her red hair blew in the air. Good. Next sentence. Sight word is did. Sight word is that. Think. Say word is bear. Think. Say word is stare. Sight word is at. Think. Say Claire. Remember, there's a question mark at the end. Ready? Read. Did that bear stare at Claire? Okay, last sentence. Sight word is I. Sight word is will. Think. Say word is share. Sight word is my. Think. Say word is pair. Sight word is with. Last word. Think. Say word is Blair. Ready? Read. I will share my pear with Blair. Good. Okay, bling words this week. We are continuing with our number words. First one is seven. What's the word? We spell seven S-E-V-E-N. Your turn to spell it. Go S-E-V-E-N. The word seven rhymes with heaven. Next word is 10. What's the word? We spell 10 T-E-N. You spell it T-E-N. The number 10 has 2 digits in it. Next word is 8. What's the word? Now we also know this kind of 8. This is like I ate food, and this is the number 8. So make sure that we are using the number 8 when we're talking about numbers. We spell 8, the number, E-I-G-H-T. You spell it E-I-G-H-T. 8 is a great number. Next word is 9. What's the word? We spell 9 N-I-N-E. Your turn. N-I-N-E. I chose 9 friends to come to my party. Our last sight word this week is 2. What's the word? Now we have this kind of 2, which is like I am next to you. We have this kind of 2, which is the same as also I go to the store too. And then we have this kind of 2, which is the number 2. Okay, we spell number 2, T-W-O. How do we spell it? I have 2 best friends. Okay, the story we are reading today is called Rooster and Goose. What's it called? Now, we have actually read this story before. It is a review of our oo sound. So we have rooster and goose. So let's just go ahead and read it together. Ready? Read. Life at the farm was like a wild zoo. Rooster and Goose felt that they should come up with a plan. Things needed to run smoother. Next page, ready? Read. First, Rooster and Goose brought the animals through the big barn door. Rooster said, "We know you are busy, but we need to make the farm better. We have an answer to fix it up." Then Goose stated, "Let's not bug each other. Let's join together. We can make it better." Ready? Read. So Rooster and Horse went to check the crops, and crops are plants. They set the roots in a scooped soil on top. This was enough to make the crops grow. The chicks picked up the hay. Then Goose and Pig made the hay neat. The eyes of the animals were wide with joy. The farm looked so nice. Last page, ready? Read. That night the animals sat under the bright moon. They were glad that they came together and did the job. The farm felt like such a nicer place. Rooster and Goose both said, "It is cool to be a team." Okay, can you say the word adverb? An adverb is a word that tells more about the action in a sentence. So an adverb can tell how the action happened. If you read right here, it says many adverbs end in ly. Okay, so let's take a look. The cars in the 4th of July parade drive slowly. So here's our verb, drive. That's what they're doing. And how do they drive? They drive slowly. And if you notice, the word slowly does have ly. Let's keep reading. The band plays loudly. What are they doing? They are playing. And how are they doing it? They are doing it loudly. Same thing, ly at the end. Last sentence. Clowns run quickly around the floats. So, how do the clowns run, which is our verb? They run quickly. And again, ly at the end. Okay, so we're going to look for the adverbs. Okay, I'm going to read the sentence, then I want you to tell me what word is the adverb. The teacher spoke softly. Our verb is spoke. That's what the teacher is doing. How does she speak? She speaks softly. Next one. She asked the children to neatly hang up their coats. Our verb that has an adverb is hang. What does she want them to do? How does she want them to hang it? Correct answer is neatly. And last one, the children quietly put their things away. So they are putting their things away. And how are they doing it? They are doing it quietly. Awesome job, readers. Come back tomorrow for more chair card.